Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the process of changing the clutch on your Vitamix blender. This is an important maintenance task that can prolong the life of your machine. Before we start, let's gather the tools you'll need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement clutch. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the assistance you need. First, ensure your Vitamix is unplugged. Safety is paramount when working on electrical appliances. Now, flip the blender upside down. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the base. There are typically 4 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the base. You'll notice the motor and the clutch assembly exposed. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside. A clean interior improves performance and prevents overheating. Next, locate the clutch. This is usually a circular component that connects the motor to the blade assembly. Using the flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the old clutch. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. With the old clutch removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new clutch with the motor shaft and press it into place until you hear a click. This indicates that it is securely attached. If you encounter any resistance, double-check the alignment before proceeding. Now, replace the base cover by aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it with the Phillips screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, which can cause damage. Before you test your blender, take a moment to clean any remaining dust or debris from the outside. If you're unsure about performing this repair yourself, remember that we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can make an informed decision about whether to tackle the repair or seek our help. Finally, plug in your Vitamix and test the blending function. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You successfully changed the clutch. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our services are designed to be hassle-free, with no calls and no travel required. Just let us know what you need, and we'll take care of the rest. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.